What is up everyone? In this video we're going to be showing you how to correctly declare on Allchinabuy. So the first thing you want to do is simply figure out the total weight of your parcel. So simply make sure you weigh it in kilograms. This is important because the declaration amount will depend on the weight of your item. So now here's a general way you can use to calculate the declaration amount. So if your parcel weighs under 1 kilogram, you need to declare $12. And if it's over 1 kilogram, you then have to round up the weight to the nearest kilogram and then multiply that weight by $12. So for example, a 1.5 kilogram parcel would be rounded up to 2 kg, and if you declare $24, then that's $12 by 2 kg. So once you figured out the declaration amount, you can then use the system declare method on Allchinabuy. So the platform already provides guidelines on how to fill out the customs declaration form. So you simply have to follow the instructions carefully and make sure everything is declared accurately. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.